Hey everyone, welcome back to Cleanastic, and today I'm going to show everyone how to prevent algae from building up in their Bestway 10 by 30 pool. So stay tuned to the whole video. So the first tip I want to give you is that you want to make sure that your circulating system is properly functioning within your pool, because that will make sure that your sanitizing and water flows balanced and evenly throughout the pool. So make sure you keep that pump running. Make sure the circulation system is running so that all the chemicals and all the sanitizing chemicals will make sure they'll be flowing properly. Tip number 3 is that you want to make sure you shock your pool weekly, because this will help to eliminate algae spores that tends to build up in your pool. This process will help sanitize your pool. It will prevent the algae spores from building up inside of your pool as well. So shock your pool weekly is tip number 3. So tip number 4 is that you want to create a weekly cleaning schedule for your pool. If you do this, this will help you not to neglect the most important areas of your pool. So what I do, after the kids are using the pool, I typically get my net, I go around the pool, and I throw some tennis balls in there if I had them, and I make sure that I clean up the dirt by using the pool vacuum, and this is something daily that I do. I also shock my pool every 14 days because this helps to keep the water clean and preserve the water for longer usage, so that you don't have to fill it up again. So tip number 4 is to make sure you create a cleaning schedule. Do not neglect your pool, because that's when dirt builds up on the pool. That's when algae start to form in your pool. So tip number 5 is that you want to make sure you have the proper tools and equipment to clean your pool. You got to make sure you have brushes. Make sure you have a pool vacuum. Make sure that you have the proper sanitizing chemicals to keep your pool clean. So you cannot keep your pool effectively clean if you do not have the right tools and the chemicals, the sanitizer chemicals, to get the job done correctly. And my final tip to you guys out there is that I highly recommend that you buy a pool vacuum. Now, there's a lot of dirt that is collected at the bottom of the pool every time someone steps in and out of the pool, and this tends to make your water look dirty. So we purchased a $12 pool vacuum, and it was one of the best investments, because we use it to collect up the dirt, to collect up all the loose debris, and it simply helps your water to look more clear and just overall healthy. So that was my final tip. Now I hope that everyone liked this video. If you can please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your summer.